Shakira Isabel Mubarak Ripple was born on February 2, 1977 in Barranquilla, Colombia. She's a Colombian singer and songwriter. She served as a coach on 2 seasons of the American singing competition television series, The Voice in 2013 to 2014. With a catalog of 145 songs, Shakira has sold over 85 million records, making her one of the best-selling music artists of all time. Forbes Colombia reported that as of 2018, she's the top-selling female Latin artist of all time. She is credited with opening the doors of the international market for other Latin artists. Her accolades include 3 Grammy Awards, 12 Latin Grammy Awards, 4 MTV Video Music Awards, 39 Billboard Latin Music Awards, 21 Guinness World Records, and a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. She has a net worth of $300 million.